Ladies and gentlemen, today we are talking about a true legend in the world of motorsports, Keiichi Tsuchiya. Known to many as the Drift King, Tsuchiya's journey from a small village in Japan to international stardom is nothing short of extraordinary. But before diving into deep, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update when I upload new videos. In 1971, a 15-year-old Keiichi Tsuchiya was practicing his driving skills on the winding mountain roads of Tomi, a small town in Japan. With his trusty Nissan Skyline, he quickly became a skilled driver. It was there he realized his true calling was racing, inspired by Kunimitsu Takahashi, the father of drifting, who entertained crowds with his unique drifting style, rising through the ranks. At 21, Tsuchiya made his racing debut in the 1977 Fuji Freshman Series. Unlike most of his competitors who had money and family sponsorship, Tsuchiya was there because of his street racing reputation. Despite the odds, he started making a name for himself with numerous podium finishes, which led to a spot in the All-Japan Touring Car Championship in 1981, driving a modest KP61 Toyota Starlet. The birth of the Drift King. Tsuchiya's big break came when he convinced sponsors to let him race in a new Toyota Corolla A86 if he won the championship in his Starlet. He did, and with a new car, he began drifting for fun during races, captivating the fans. His drifting antics earned him the title Drift King. Despite his success, his love for drifting led him to star in a street drifting video series called +B, How He Lost His License. In the mid-1980s, Tsuchiya's incredible drifting skills were capturing the attention of car enthusiasts and tuning garages alike. To showcase his talents and promote their modifications, a group of tuning houses collaborated with Tsuchiya on a secret project, a street drifting video series called +B. This three-part video, featuring Tsuchiya skillfully drifting through Japan's mountain roads, became a sensation and sparked a massive interest in drifting. However, the videos also caught the attention of the authorities, who disapproved of the illegal street drifting depicted in +B. The police cracked down on the distribution of the tapes and, in a coordinated effort with Japanese racing officials, decided to make an example out of Tsuchiya. They suspended his racing license, halting his professional career and making a statement against illegal street racing. Despite this setback, Tsuchiya's influence on the drifting scene had already taken root, and his fans continued to celebrate his achievements, comeback, and success. After his suspension was lifted in 1988, Tsuchiya came back stronger, winning races in various cars and series. He eventually joined Team Kunimitsu, racing alongside his idol Takahashi. They won significant races together, including the Suzuka 1000 kilometers. In 1995, Tsuchiya achieved a major milestone by winning his class at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, cementing his legacy in racing. Global impact of drifting. In 1996, Tsuchiya helped bring drifting to the world stage with an exhibition event in California. He continued to race in various events and cars, proving his versatility. In 2000, he became a judge for the D1 Grand Prix, the first professional drifting series, which grew globally. His involvement in shows like Best Motoring and Hot Version also helped popularize drifting in Japanese car culture internationally. Legacy and influence. Even after retiring from professional racing, Tsuchiya continued to influence the automotive world. He appeared in movies like Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift, served as a technical director for Initial D, and tested cars for tuning shops. Despite his fame, he stayed true to his roots, driving his beloved Toyota Corolla A86 and inspiring car enthusiasts worldwide. Keiichi Tsuchiya remains a true legend, the Drift King who started as a small-town kid with a passion for driving. Before his fame, Tsuchiya worked as a mechanic, which gave him a profound understanding of car mechanics that fueled his racing success. He often tuned and modified his own cars, showcasing his ingenuity and hands-on expertise. Beyond racing, Tsuchiya mentored young drivers, sharing his passion and knowledge to shape future generations. He played a crucial role in the creation of the D1 Grand Prix, helping to legitimize drifting as a motorsport. Despite his success with modern vehicles, Tsuchiya has a deep appreciation for classic cars, maintaining a collection of vintage Japanese models. Through his philanthropy, writings, and cultural impact, Tsuchiya's legacy transcends the racetrack. In conclusion, Keiichi Tsuchiya's journey from a mechanic to a motorsport icon is a testament to his passion, ingenuity, and dedication, inspiring car enthusiasts worldwide. That's all for today's video. Let me know what you think through the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy, happy racing.